Hi everybody, AI can do some pretty impressive things, and as the models get more powerful, we're more productive than ever. But when it comes to AI-assisted writing, well, it still sounds like AI-assisted writing. That's not a good thing. You can spot the stock phrases, empty transitions, and suspiciously perfect rhythm from a mile away, even when the original content ideas were all yours. I wanted to fix that, so I built KONVO, an agent skill that improves a draft without replacing your voice. KONVO works across a variety of technical content types, including long-form articles, short-form articles, press releases, explainers, chat messages, social media posts, and a whole lot more. It works because KONVO distills 30 years of my writing experience across 1,700 articles and tutorials, 9 books, and 15,000 forum posts and social media posts into a clear set of guidelines for your agent to follow when generating content. To use KONVO, load it into your agent. That's the hard part. Then give it your draft and say, use the KONVO skill to help me improve this. For better results, include details such as the content type, target audience, expertise level, and desired length. The more details you provide, the better you'll find the output will be. KONVO can even generate a draft from just a prompt without you giving it your own draft, but I don't recommend that. The more you provide in your own voice and structure, the better you'll find it works. In the end, KONVO makes your writing clearer. It even includes placeholders for visuals to help strengthen your content. What it doesn't include is robot-sounding phrases and AI slop. To get started, visit konvo.krupa.com. Now, if none of what I just said interests you, that's cool. Visit konvo.krupa.com anyway. Why? Well, for starters, the links make sounds when you hover over them. That's pretty cool. And most importantly, this button, it makes confetti fall. You cannot not like that.